These are Konkani style Surnali dosas. These fermented porous dosas are made with a combination of rice, curds, coconut and poha, that is beaten rice. You can make sweet and savory version from the same batter. Sweet ones are served with the butter and savory ones with chutney. I have taken 1 cup of dosa rice here and half a teaspoon of methi seeds. Add water and rinse it a few times. Drain the water. Add some more water and keep this soaked for 5 to 6 hours. Some people soak this in buttermilk or curds. I prefer adding curds at the later stage. Here I have taken half a cup of thick poha. Wash it a few times. Drain the water and add some more water and soak this for 1 hour before grinding the rice. After 1 hour the poha will look like this. This is the soaked rice and methi seeds. Drain the water and transfer this soaked rice to a mixer jar. Add soaked poha. Add 1/3 cup of fresh coconut. Add 1/3 cup of curds and blend this to a fine paste. Now we'll divide the batter in 2 parts. In one bowl we'll add salt, and in the other one we'll add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of jaggery. The white batter is for the savory surnalis and the yellow batter is for the sweet surnalis. Mix it well. Cover and keep this aside for fermentation for 12 to 15 hours. Now after 15 hours, the batters have fermented. In case the batter is not fermented, you can add a pinch of baking soda before making the surnalis. Now pour a ladleful batter on a greased dosa tawa. I'm using an iron tawa here. Once the pores are formed like this, you can drizzle some ghee around the surnali. Cover and cook on a low heat till the dosa becomes spongy like this. Do not flip the dosa. This is cooked only on one side. This is savory surnali. Now for sweet surnalis, we'll use the yellow batter. Once the pores are formed like this, cover and cook on low heat. Cook only on one side, do not flip the dosa. This is our sweet surnali. You can serve the sweet ones with butter and the savory surnalis with chutney. In case you like the video, do press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you try this recipe, please leave your feedback in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.